Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Timepiece Trevor. Just picked up this Omega Speedmaster Sapphire Sandwich and wanted to do an unboxing video of it. The Omega Speedmaster was the first watch to be worn on the moon and is a very iconic watch. This Sapphire Sandwich Speedmaster has sapphire crystal on both sides, which I'll show you in a minute here once I get this unboxed. So let's get right into this unboxing. Very excited about this new timepiece. Here we go. So it comes in a very large box. The actual box that the watch is in is right here. Super cool looking. And then inside the box here is where you'll find your warranty cards and everything. So it is reference number 31030425001002, which is the 2021 Speedmaster Sapphire Sandwich. Retails for $71.50. Pick this up at an authorized dealer. Alright, and then here is the box that it comes in. Let's move this out of the way. There it is. I love this box here, and the watch is super beautiful. That's how it looks there in the box. Super high quality box, very durable. You can bring anywhere and not have to worry about anything happening to it. Alright, just one second here. I do actually already have this watch size and everything, but I put it back in the box just to be able to do this video here. So here it is. Sapphire Sandwich. It has the additional shine on the bracelet. The bracelet is extremely comfortable. Here is the clasp. Very high quality clasp. And with the Sapphire Sandwich, it has the see-through case back where you can see the movement, and it's super beautiful seeing that, the movement on the back. And then it's sapphire crystal all the way around. So it's going to be much more durable and scratch resistant than the Hezolite version. There's also the Hezolite version of this timepiece. Wanted to show you all how the watch actually works. So it is a manual winding watch, which is very cool. I like just winding it just like this. It's already wound up. I already wound it about 10 times, but you can just wind it about 20 times, then you're good to go. So as you can see here, of course, this is the hours hand, minutes hand. The seconds hand is actually right here. You should be able to see that going around. The hand going around right now to the left. And then this up top is the chronograph. So to start that, just press this. It starts going around. Oftentimes I wear it with the chronograph running. I like to see the chronograph go around. It looks really nice. Great movement on these Omega Speedmasters. Then if you want to reset the chronograph, you just press here. That stops it, same button. Then you press the bottom one here to reset it. start it up again here again. And now let's put it on the wrist and see how it looks. It's a great looking watch. I'm left-handed, which is why I put it on my right wrist. You can see the movement going around. Fits very comfortably on the wrist, and it's a very versatile watch that goes with everything. You can wear it for really any occasion. Looks great with business clothes, casual clothes, formal, whatever you're wearing. Can be a go-to everyday watch that will last you a lifetime, that you can also pass down to generations. So definitely very happy with this purchase of the Omega Speedmaster Sapphire Sandwich. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be making other timepiece videos on this channel and look forward to making additional videos for this channel, Timepiece Trevor. I also have another channel called T-Don TV where I talk a lot about a lot of other stuff in my life. So go check out that channel, subscribe here, and I look forward to talking to y'all in future videos. We'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.